Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho WorkDrive. This powerful cloud-based platform is designed to revolutionize how teams manage documents and collaborate. It provides a centralized space for all your files, making it easier to store, share, and work together. WorkDrive focuses on boosting team productivity by offering a suite of collaborative features and robust security measures, ensuring your data is always safe and accessible. Managing your files in Zoho WorkDrive is incredibly straightforward. You can upload documents and folders from your computer or even import them from other cloud services. Organize everything efficiently using customizable folders, subfolders, and labels. WorkDrive also offers unlimited file versioning, allowing you to track every change and revert to previous versions if needed. Plus, a powerful search function helps you find any document in seconds. Collaboration is at the heart of Zoho WorkDrive. Teams can co-author documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in real time, eliminating version control issues. Utilize team folders to create shared workspaces, assigning specific roles like editor or viewer to control access. You can also securely share files and folders with external stakeholders, even those without a Zoho account, using password-protected links and email verification. Zoho WorkDrive extends its capabilities with seamless integrations across the Zoho ecosystem and many third-party apps. Stay productive anywhere with mobile applications for both iOS and Android devices. Security is a top priority, featuring robust 256-bit AES encryption for data at rest and SSL/TLS encryption in transit. Additionally, advanced features like automated workflows help streamline routine tasks, enhancing overall operational efficiency and data protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.